I've been with GISD since, this is actually my second year. I started 2 Septembers ago as a custodian, and then within 3 months I worked my way up into maintenance. And I had the opportunity of becoming our key and door guy, and I was sent to Indianapolis. And there I took a few classes to better myself with the door hardware we have around here, and that's what I've been doing ever since.
Andrew does a great job here at Gainesville High School. He always completes his task in a timely manner. He'll always come and follow up with the jobs that he's done to make sure everything is working properly.
And I do anything from assemble desk all the way to zapping bugs. So I have my IPM, which is for pest management. I have a few certificates in the best hardware that we have on all our exterior doors, interior doors, and I can fix your tiles whenever a roof has leaked.
Anytime it's a certain task or job that he cannot complete, he always explains the issue and returns later to complete it. He's not afraid to ask questions to, anyone that'll help him get the job done.
What I think I do is, I just keep everyday operations going. If the plumber's out and a bathroom is flooding, I'll go and tend to it instead of just not doing nothing, I guess you could say.
Andrew is always in a great mood. Anytime he comes to the building, he's always smiling and has a positive word to say. Some of the issues that we have here can be very difficult, but nothing phases him, and he's still a good guy to be around. He's a gentle giant and a pure act of kindness.
Yeah, if we're short on custodians, I will go to the rescue and help out at lunch and everything like that. So I help with the HVAC when needed. I help with the electrician when needed. Probably everything I do has a little bit to do with helping the kids every day at school.
Okay. Here at GHS, we are extremely confident that Andrew will get the job done. Anytime we ever need him, he's only a phone call away, and he's always, anytime I call him, he's always, I'm on my way. I'll be there in a second. And that's a blessing to have someone that available on your campus.
I just want to say thank you to our maintenance department, all the guys. They do a wonderful job. I definitely want to thank the custodians. They also do a wonderful job, and also Dr. Stewart. And it's a great place to work. And if you're seeing this, I recommend coming and working with us. And that's it. The reason I chose to come to work at GISD and the school district, I was wanting to transition from welding, fabricating to maintenance man. And when I applied for the custodian position, I thought, I know if I could get my foot in the door, that'd be all she wrote. And that's pretty much what happened. I got here, I showed what I could do, the can-do attitude, and my boss, Joe Warren, recognized that, and the rest is history. I'm here.